Hey there, truck enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Advanced Career Institute. Whether you're a seasoned truck owner or a new driver, maintaining your truck is essential for ensuring it runs smoothly and lasts for years. Today, we're diving into the top tips for properly maintaining your truck. Let's get started. First up, regular oil changes. Your truck's engine needs clean oil to function properly. Check your owner's manual for the recommended oil change interval, but a good rule of thumb is every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Fresh oil reduces engine wear and improves fuel efficiency. Next, let's talk about tires. Keeping your tires in good condition is crucial for safety and performance. Check the tire pressure monthly and ensure it matches the manufacturer's recommendations. Don't forget to rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to promote even wear. Brakes are one of the most important safety features of your truck. Regularly inspect your brake pads, rotors, and fluid. If you notice any squeaking, grinding, or reduced responsiveness, it's time to get them checked by a professional. Don't overlook your truck's fluids. In addition to oil, regularly check the coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Keeping these at proper levels ensures your truck runs efficiently and prevents costly repairs. Your truck's battery is vital for starting the engine and powering electrical components. Check the battery terminals for corrosion and ensure they're tight. If your battery is more than 3 years old, consider having it tested to avoid unexpected failures. Lastly, keep your truck clean. Regular washing and waxing not only make your truck look great but also protect the paint from rust and corrosion. Don't forget to clean the interior to prevent wear and tear on the seats and dashboard. Maintaining your truck doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these simple steps, you'll keep your truck running smoothly and extend its lifespan. Are you ready to start a new journey? Consider a career in trucking and explore a world of options on the open road. For additional information on Advanced Career Institute, call +1 702 476 5067 or visit advanced.edu/locations/Las Vegas-campus. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more truck tips and maintenance guides. Drive safe.